I know how it feels to actually get phone calls and have to ignore them because you're not sure if it's a debt collector on the other end harassing you about a debt that you actually owe. I know how it feels to apply for a credit card, crossing my fingers hoping that I'll get approved for it, to only find out that I was declined. I know how it feels to go on a car lot to get approved for a car, test drive the car, fall in love with the car, only to get to the financing section and find out that due to poor credit, I'm not going to be approved for this car. It's exactly why I decided to give away Credit Complete Pro. It's a step-by-step guide to teach you from start to finish how to repair your credit. And this is for free. I'll repeat it again for those of you who didn't hear it. Yes, absolutely for free. So the question is, and I know it's what you guys are thinking, why are you doing it for free? Or what's the catch?
My name is Jermaine and I am thrilled to welcome you today. If you're looking to improve your credit and take control of your financial future, you're in the right place. Now, I've spent 15 years in the debt collection industry and I've seen firsthand how challenging it can be to navigate the world of credit. But there's good news. With the right guidance and support, you can turn things around. I want you to remember, all credit can be restored. I don't care what situation you're in right now. What sets me apart is my insider knowledge. I know what creditors and debt collection companies are thinking because I've been on the other side. This experience allows me to offer you strategies that are not only effective, but are tailored to outsmart the system. I'm very excited to invite you to join our private community. In our community, you will have access to exclusive resources and personalized advice. Whether you're looking to boost your credit score, understand your credit report, or simply need some guidance and encouragement, we're here to help you every step of the way. We've helped countless people achieve their goals just like you. And here are a few success stories. One of the people I always like to talk about is Sarah. After joining our community, she raised her credit score by 150 points in 6 months. She was able to secure her first mortgage and buy her first home. And when we first started talking to Sarah, this was something she thought was impossible. And then I have my father-in-law. I always use him as a case study. When he came to me, he had a FICO score of a 590. We took him from a 590 to a 740. One of the first things that I told him to do was to refinance his car, and he refinanced his car, and that saved him thousands of dollars on his payments. And these are just a few examples of how our community can make a real difference in your financial journey.
Why are you doing it for free? Or what's the catch? Ultimately, because I know how important it is having a community with regards to cleaning up my credit. That was something I had 12 years ago when I was $150,000 in debt. I would have been able to clean up my credit 3 times as faster, number one. Number two, the catch, which people consider a catch, but I don't consider it a catch at all, is when you're repairing your credit, one of the things you're going to have to do is get credit monitoring, right? A credit monitoring service that's going to cost you $30 a month. It's going to give you all 3 credit reports. Down below is my Smart Credit link. I've partnered with Smart Credit. Those of you who sign up with Smart Credit will get Credit Complete Pro and be able to join this community absolutely for free.